there, everybody, and welcome back. This is Marybeth here with Infinity Processing System, and I'm very excited to be back today to continue to talk to you further and share with you more great things that are happening within the Infinity Processing System group and community within our membership base. Okay? Now, I've been getting a lot of inquiries. People want to know, is this real? Does this work? Can this work for me? Do I need any experience? What if I'm brand new? Well, I've already, shared a lot of my personal results and my proof through various posts on Facebook, and I've done, a multitude of videos already, showcasing my results. But I'm someone who has been around in this industry for quite a while, so I've been able to, build up a very nice skill set and email list over time. However, that is exactly what this very system here called Infinity Processing System is all about, and it's going to show you exactly how to be successful online so that you can go on and achieve great things just like I've been able to do over, the last several years. But irregardless, it doesn't matter. I'm not here today to, talk about myself. I want to show you real proof of a multitude of members having real results. And these are people from all over the world. Since this is a global opportunity, we have people from all walks of life, all levels of experience. We have complete brand new newbies. We've got some people who are joining us who have a little bit of experience. Perhaps they've never really got, their business is quite off the ground. They've never really seen consistent results, and things are changing for them very nicely with this. And of course, we have the experienced marketers. So we have people from all walks of life, all backgrounds, people from all around the globe. This is worldwide, and you absolutely do not need any experience. There is no special skill set that you need to bring into this to see results and have success, and you do not need any previous experience whatsoever. Okay, and I'm going to be going into this right now and scrolling down and showing you. We have Daryl right here. He came forward with his story, and he's shared how successful he's been with Infinity Processing System, and says, and you can as well. Okay, so this is a wonderful, wonderful testimonial here from Daryl, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link below to this proof group in my description. And I strongly encourage you, if you're someone who is seriously looking at this, perhaps you're sitting on the fence wondering if this is real, by all means, click on that link, request to join. Okay, this is for prospects and members alike. And then you can come in here and scroll down, for yourself and see how many great testimonials and how much proof is being jam-packed by the hour, every single day of the week, folks. People are posting because they're excited. We have another new member here, Thomi, I believe if I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I apologize. A $350 day. She's showcasing, real proof, real results. And she says, truly amazing product and system. Anyone should be part of it. Believe, take action, and reap the benefits. Proof. And she's grateful. Okay. And this is very, very true, folks. All right. There's no hype here. There's no fluff. This is as real as it gets. All right. And people are welcoming new members into this group all day long. Here's someone welcoming a new member. Here's somebody, Pat, she's giving her new friend and business partner, Diane, a warm welcome. She just got a pro level sale. Okay. So members are just achieving great things using the system. And, you have to believe, folks. You have to believe in yourself first and foremost. And secondly, you've got to believe in the system. You've got to bring the right mindset and positivity and confidence into anything that you embark upon to get the best results. So that's half of the equation. And the other half, mindset is half of it. Skill set is the other half, and we're going to show you both. Okay, we're going to show you exactly how to acquire both and go on and apply them and implement them daily and be consistent for the best results. So let's move right along here. Here's another member, John. Hey guys, here's my proof. I'm in it to win it, and now I'm making money thanks to my mentor. Okay, so here we go, folks. Another wonderful testimonial. from a pro level member. Scrolling right down here. Now, this is the creator today who went live and is giving a huge congratulations to everybody because we just crossed the $200,000 mark collectively with this opportunity, all member sales in a very short amount of time. This just went live and launched last month, okay, the early part of March 2021. And already we've been able to accomplish great things. And it's through the collective efforts that the members are bringing into this opportunity. They're just going out and they're making things happen, okay? You've got to believe in yourself first, and then just go out there and take the step-by-step training. It's very easy to follow step by step. It's very user and newbie friendly. So no prior experience is required. You just have to be able to follow simple step-by-step instructions and training through the step-by-step video tutorials, and then put to good use, folks, for your benefit and your greater good, okay? And Adriana says, you guys are rocking this. Let's go get back to the person that invited you to this group and get started with the team. Okay, congratulations, team. Just crossed over 200K with IPS. Okay, so this is more continued proof and validation that members are achieving greatness with this opportunity. Okay, people are just coming together and they're supporting each other, and they're just going out and they are making it happen with this awesome training platform. Okay, and it literally gives you everything you need mapped out, spelled out step by step. That really truly does not get any easier. Okay, Chad is welcoming a new member to the group. Marvin had a new sign up here. He's welcoming a new member to the group, and he says get ready for 100% commissions. And that's what I love about this awesome opportunity, folks. It is direct member to member. You decide whatever payment processor or processors you wish to use. It is worldwide. It is global. You get paid instantly, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions. There are no monthly fees ever, okay? So those are huge, huge benefits in and of themselves. Okay, so scrolling on downward, folks, it's just, never ending. It's just all kind of new members. Christina is welcoming a new member to the group and says that we're glad that you're here. Okay, she just got another new paid sign up right here. And continuing on down, more welcomes, more new members coming in. Okay, and we're welcoming them with open arms and open hearts, and we're here to do the very same for you as well. So as you see, just scrolling down, so many new members welcoming other new members on board here. Okay, and you can take a look at this all for yourself. Here's Domi again, welcoming another new member right here. Okay, another new paid member, and she says she just jumped in at the elite level. You will love this amazing ATM opportunity. My new member is excited. You're going to crush it and making money over and over again. And that's just it, folks. There's really no limitations here. You can get paid over and over again. It's going to depend, on a lot of different variables. Of course, your effort, your consistency, your skill set, your willingness to learn, and how bad you want it, how bad you go through the training, and then just, how quick you apply and implement, and just keep washing, rinsing, and repeating. Okay, it's all here laid out for you in a very, very simplistic fashion. Okay, this group is for you and your prospects. Let's go. Okay, and that's what I love about this group. The link will be below. You get clicking on it, and then just go ahead and request to join. You'll be approved. You just, I think, have to answer maybe 1 or 2 simple questions just to acknowledge that you're a real person. And then you'll get into this group, folks, and scroll on down. Here's Christina welcoming another new member. Once again, Leah is welcoming another new pro level member. So it just, continues on down here. Leah is showing proof. Love having this ATM working for me. And, you have the ability to create your own economy with this, start to create your own paychecks, and essentially create your own ATM where you're going to have, the more consistent you are, the more you put into this, the more you're going to be able to fully expect and anticipate to get out of this. And you'll be able to, be creating your own ATM machine with this type of opportunity. It's going to become more and more consistent for you as well as you progress. And the more training that you learn, the more you go out there and advertise and apply and implement, folks. You're going to be able to do one of two things, actually both. You're going to be able to increase your lead flow, and the more leads that you're collecting on a daily basis, you're going to be able to create a higher percentage and convert them into paid signups, because it's all about abundance and lead flow. Okay, we teach you traffic generation. We teach you how to go out there and generate traffic and collect leads, build your email list, and then start taking a percentage of those subscribers that are consistently coming in and converting them over into paid buyers so that you can reap the rewards and benefits of these wonderful 100% commissions by applying and implementing the step-by-step training and basically helping you to acquire a skill set. And that's exactly what you need so that you can be here not only short term, today, tomorrow, next week, next month, but you can be here a year from now and several years from now, just like I am. Okay, I've been online for well over 10 years, folks. I started just like many of you. I got into a program just like this that taught me, that included the mentorship, the training, and I was very determined and I persevered forward. I showed up every single day. I was very open and willing to learn. I did everything humanly possible. That meant, late nights, less sleep, all that stuff. You have to commit. Sometimes you have to be willing to, step out and do things that you're not necessarily comfortable with. Sometimes, like I tell people, you have to get uncomfortable first before you can get comfortable. And then that's going to help you to, establish and create more confidence. And you're going to get better and better. And your skills are going to get better and better. And, you're going to be worth more in the marketplace. And you're going to be able to help a lot more people over time, just like I've been able to do over the years. Okay. So with that being said, just going to come down here just for a couple more. I'm just going to give you a recap of like the last 24 hours. I don't want to be too redundant. But, another new member right here is being welcomed by Will. Okay, and here we go, folks. It just, it's never ending. It's very consistent. We have another new member here welcoming a new member in. So as you see, folks, these are people from all walks of life. Here's one of my new members right here. She's doing amazing things, okay? Dorota, she says this is someone I directly just brought in not too long ago, maybe about a week ago or so. And she's already seeing great results because she was somebody who was very determined to make this work. And we connected and I helped her and went through everything with her. We strategized for a while on the phone together, and that's what I do for all my new members. I connect with you personally. I share with you the strategies that I'm using that are working for me, and then I also provide you with all of my paid traffic and lead resources, as well as my ad copy and my email copy to help you to hit the ground running and start to see quick results. And here's more continued proof of that. She says, truly amazing product and system. Anyone should be part of it. It works. Believe and reap. And that's what I instill in people too. You have to believe. You have to be a believer, folks. You can't come into an opportunity doubting yourself and being a doubting Thomas that this doesn't work. It's not going to work for me, folks. Belief, self-belief is everything when it comes to these type of opportunities, okay? Believe and reap the benefits, small proof below, grateful, okay? She had an upgrade here of 250, and she had a pro level member. So she's showcasing $550 in proof. So thank you very much and congratulations once again, Dorota. You're doing amazing things. And we just have so many winners here, folks. Okay, just so many winners. It's absolutely positively amazing. And here's Jenna, folks. Okay, 3 weeks in this awesome program and earned $14,300. Thank you, Adriana, for this amazing gift you have given me and my team. Get back with your inviter. Just do it. Okay, and here's more continued proof. So, folks, this is a quick recap of the last 24 hours with amazing testimonials and amazing proof. And like they say, proof is in the pudding, folks, and documentation beats conversation. So check out that link. My link to my website's below. All you have to do is enter your email address and you're going to be redirected to the sales page where you can review everything firsthand. Now, real quick in closing, I want to show you my back office. This is the pro level member back office where it gives you the complete 6-figure blueprint where you're going to be able to go out and learn everything you need to develop that all important skill set so that you can go out there and achieve these type of results too. Okay, so your results will be solely dependent on you, your efforts, your consistency, and your skill set. And anybody can do this, folks. Believe me, it's step-by-step guided video training tutorials jam-packed into all of these modules. You start here, you follow the steps in order, do not overcomplicate, and whatever you do, do not try to reinvent the wheel. Okay? Don't go in information overload. No stress. Just take this at your own pace. Show up every single day, do a little bit every single day, and over time, folks, you're going to go out and be able to see some amazing, amazing things. I promise you that much. Okay, you will start to see and generate traffic and leads, and then you follow the recommendations, you follow the training, and you'll be able to also convert a percentage of these leads into paid signups. It's a very high converting offer, folks. We have everything to give to people exactly what they want, need, desire to be successful. It's all here, folks, for you, for your taking, and you just have to ask yourself, how badly do you want this? If you want to change your life, folks, this is a life-changing opportunity because it's going to give you the skill set, okay? And see, folks, right here, winning mindset, art of persuasion and influence. This is what you need to bring to the table every single day. And going through all of these modules, folks, they give you the ads too. They're all here. They take the guesswork out of the equation. You don't have to sit and, bang your head up against the wall and, stress about what you're going to post and, what you're going to write in your email copy and all of that. It's all here, folks, handed to you, literally handed over to you. And of course, you can put your own spin and twist and personality into this and brand yourself and all that good stuff. Okay. 7-day action plan for success. There's a video here with a little blueprint and it shows you exactly what to do every single day when you show up, okay? You show up, you follow this, you execute, you apply and implement, and you're going to start to build and develop a skill set. And that's something that nobody will ever be able to take away from you, okay? And you're going to be able to build your email list in the process. You're going to go out there, be able to brand yourself on social media using Facebook Marketing Mastery. This shows you how to scale up when you're ready to purchase paid traffic so that you can take this and move it a little bit faster. There's Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, how to automate your business with the 6-figure system. There's a special extra bonus, hotel and restaurant discount and vouchers. And everything is here, folks. All the email copy, they show you how to build and create your own funnel, connect it up to your sales page, how to build a bridge page if you want. There's lots and lots of options. All the email swipe is here for you to upload into your autoresponder. They show you how to do this so that you can, build your own, and acquire your own skill set and become a master marketer. Okay. And if you want to take this full time, folks, you can absolutely do this. The sky is truly the limit. Now, don't worry if you're somebody who is brand new and you might feel a little perplexed and overwhelmed and, you don't want to really go through the process here of creating this for yourself for the first time because perhaps it is your first time of creating your own funnel. No worries, I have an excellent resource that you can outsource. So got you covered, folks, on all ends. Again, I will give you all of my traffic and lead generation resources that I've been using now for a very long time to continue to get great results. You'll also get my special ad copy and my email copy and everything that I utilize in the marketplace all week long to continue to get great results with Infinity Processing System. So thanks so much for watching this video, folks. If you like this, thumbs up it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Retire with Marybeth. That way, as I continue to share, this information with you, you'll be notified. So smash the bell notification, go ahead and subscribe, and take care. And thank you for spending the last maybe 20 minutes or so with me, allowing me to continue to bring this wonderful opportunity that is changing lives all over the world. And you can be next, folks. But you've got to get started first. So take action, get started. The link to the Facebook group, to this very group, is going to be below. This way you can come in here, request to join it, and then just scroll on down and you can see all this close up, folks. Okay? And then my link, yoursuccessblueprint.net, is below. So the link to my website will be in the description as well. My contact information. Any questions, folks, feel free. Connect personally with me. Text or call me, and I will be more than happy to personally connect with you as well. And I look forward to hopefully welcome you into our amazing community here very soon. Take care. Bye for now. See you back on another video in a couple days. All right. Bye-bye.